Welcome, thanks for tuning in. This is a little video to show you the new filing system for the catch-up on the Podia platform. So forget Facebook, this is the catch-up for our Zoom classes, and I'm really happy because I've found a way of filing it so that it's more organized and it's easier for you. And you can comment as well, which is brilliant because I know that some of you haven't been able to comment, because I do love to hear your comments when you've done the classes. So here we go. I'm going to share my screen. Right. So, guys, what you want to do is when you go into your Podia, you know the link that I always send out. This is where it takes you. This is the welcome landing page that everyone comes to. So you're going to log in. I'm going to log in as though I was a member. So this is my login, right? And I'm set up as a subscribed member. So this is me, I'm a subscribed member. So can you see up here at the top here, that's JW, so that's me. And to the left of that, there's two things. One's membership that I'm on now. So you can see I am subscribed. And then can you see products there next to on the right? Click on that. Now, what you've got here is two things. You've got my products and you've got more products. So my products is basically everything that you're entitled to as a member. So can you see this here? This is really exciting. See this, catch-up classes, right? I'm going to click on this. Look at that on the left. Yoga with Jane, Pilates, Pilates stretch and relaxation, holistic fusion classes, lots of those because we've done those on Zoom, workshops and stretch classes, 15-20-minute classes. There's none with Vicky yet because she hasn't recorded any yet. That's the only reason that there's none with Vicky. So those are all your classes. If you were to click on one, see, I've clicked on the title Pilates and stretch and relaxation, and look, there's all the classes there. So you just click on the one you want to do. So let me just do one together. Let's just go on view. So there's a class, press play. And then look, comments, write a comment. Isn't that great? So if I go back and back and back, I want to show you the more products bit. So see this bit more products here. These are things that are not automatically on your dashboard. So that's my course that I'm running from the 25th of September, and that's the menopause workshop with Karen. They're up for purchase, but everything else is in my products. So this is great, isn't it? So it's really simple, really easy. I really hope that helps you. Let me know. And if you're not set up on Podia yet, have a look because it really is great and it's easy to use. So sending you lots of love. Bye for now. Bye.